Welcome to Part 3 of the OHSA Construction Regulations Training. In this session, we will delve into the essential safety protocols and regulations that govern construction sites, ensuring a safe and compliant working environment. Let's explore the safety requirements for bulk mixing plants. Contractors must ensure that all devices to start and stop a bulk mixing plant are easily accessible and constructed to prevent accidental starting. Additionally, machinery and plant selection must be suitable for the mixing task, keeping moving parts out of reach to ensure safety. Precautionary measures are crucial when entering any silo in a bulk mixing plant. Contractors must comply with the general safety regulations, ensuring all repairs and maintenance are documented and accessible to inspectors, clients, and employees. Safety in confined spaces is paramount. Employers must ensure that air quality is tested and certified safe before entry, considering the nature and duration of the work performed. This step is vital to protect workers from potential hazards. When confined spaces cannot be purged or ventilated, specific steps must be taken to ensure safety. This includes isolating the space from hazardous gases and ensuring safe entry procedures are followed, maintaining a safe atmosphere for workers. In cases where confined spaces cannot be purged, entry must be supervised with approved breathing apparatus. This ensures compliance with safety regulations, protecting workers from potential hazards during their tasks. After completing work in confined spaces, it's crucial to ensure all personnel vacate the area safely. Additionally, if hazardous gases are present, further precautions must be taken to prevent ignition and ensure a safe environment. Regulations extend to work performed outside confined spaces, addressing potential hazards such as oxygen-deficient atmospheres or dangerous concentrations of gases. These measures ensure comprehensive safety across all work areas. Explosive actuated fastening devices are tools activated by explosive charges, used for driving bolts and similar objects. Understanding their operation and safety measures is essential for safe and effective use in construction. Safety regulations dictate that explosive actuated fastening devices must be used with protective equipment and guards. The firing mechanism must be designed to prevent accidents, ensuring safe operation at all times. Contractors must ensure daily cleaning and examination of explosive actuated fastening devices. Proper storage and safety checks are essential to prevent unauthorized access and ensure the devices are in good working order. Proper storage and issuance of cartridges for explosive devices are crucial. They must be controlled and documented, ensuring safe handling and accountability in their use. Safety measures for tower cranes include compliance with regulations, considering wind effects, and ensuring operators are certified. These steps are vital for safe crane operation and preventing accidents on construction sites. Construction vehicles and mobile plants are essential for transporting materials and performing construction tasks. Understanding their operation and safety requirements is crucial for efficient and safe site management. Contractors must ensure construction vehicles and mobile plants are designed and maintained for safety. Operators must be trained and certified, ensuring safe and efficient operation on construction sites. Safe access and egress are critical for construction vehicles. Proper organization and control prevent accidents, ensuring continued safe operation and protection for workers. Daily inspections of construction vehicles are essential. Acoustic warning devices and reversing alarms must be checked, ensuring vehicles are safe and ready for operation. Traffic safety on construction sites is paramount. Contractors must organize routes to ensure safe movement, preventing risks to pedestrians and vehicles alike. When not in use, construction vehicles must be safely stored, ensuring they are secure and do not pose risks. Proper separation of tools and materials is essential for safety. Safety measures for electrical installations include regular inspections and ensuring all parts are compliant with regulations. These steps protect workers from electrical hazards and ensure a safe working environment. Ensuring safety in the workplace involves strict compliance with regulations for the use and storage of flammable liquids. Contractors must ensure that flammable liquids are used and stored in a manner that prevents fire or explosion hazards, and that no smoking occurs in areas where these liquids are present. Additionally, efficient firefighting equipment must be installed in suitable locations. Contractors must manage the quantity of flammable liquids used daily and ensure containers are tightly closed when not in use. Proper disposal of empty containers and safe storage of flammable materials like cotton waste are essential to prevent hazards. Employers must not expose workers to vapors that pose fire or explosion hazards unless regulations are strictly followed. This ensures a safe working environment where the risks associated with flammable liquids are minimized. Flammable liquids should only be used in areas designed to prevent fire hazards. Proper ventilation and construction are crucial to avoid contamination by vapors, ensuring a safe workplace environment. Employers must equip rooms with ventilation systems to remove vapors and prevent recirculation, minimizing fire hazards. Spraying with approved equipment is necessary to ensure safety during operations. When spraying occurs, ventilation systems must meet specific requirements to ensure safe air movement. This includes maintaining appropriate airspeeds to prevent hazardous conditions. Ventilation systems in cabinets or enclosures must comply with air movement standards to ensure safety. Proper air circulation prevents the accumulation of hazardous vapors. Ventilation systems must be fire-resistant and operate during working hours to clear vapors effectively. Proper organization of airflow ensures safe handling of flammable liquids. Rooms must have multiple exits and inspection windows to ensure safety. This design prevents entrapment and allows for monitoring of hazardous conditions. Employers must prohibit activities that generate static electricity or sparks near flammable liquids. Smoking and open flames are strictly forbidden to prevent fire hazards. Proper disposal of waste and cleaning of storage areas are crucial for safety. Containers must be tightly closed and ventilation systems maintained to prevent vapor accumulation. Flammable liquid stores must be constructed with fire-resistant materials and clearly marked. Proper design prevents vapor accumulation and ensures safe storage conditions. Employers must provide efficient firefighting equipment in areas where flammable liquids are used. This ensures readiness to handle emergencies and protect safety. Regulations ensure that flammable liquids are used safely in workplaces, with proper ventilation and equipment. Employers must follow these guidelines to prevent hazards. In water environments, contractors must prevent falls into water and provide life jackets for safety. This ensures protection for workers near water during construction activities. Housekeeping regulations require proper storage and disposal of materials to maintain a safe workplace. Regular housekeeping prevents obstructions and ensures clear access to work areas. Contractors must remove unused materials and waste promptly to maintain safety. Proper disposal and construction practices prevent unauthorized access and ensure a safe environment. Contractors must remove unused materials and waste promptly to maintain safety. Proper disposal and construction practices prevent unauthorized access and ensure a safe environment. Employers must provide sufficient space and maintain clear work areas to ensure safety. Proper housekeeping practices prevent hazards and facilitate efficient work processes. Employers must ensure safe access to roofs and enclosures, preventing falls and injuries. Proper barriers and catch platforms are essential for safety in elevated areas. To ensure safety and compliance, appoint a competent stacking and storage supervisor and maintain organized storage areas. Stacking articles must be supervised by a qualified person, ensuring stability and safety in stacking practices. Employers must prevent unsafe removal of articles and ensure machinery does not endanger workers during stacking. Secure stacked materials and ensure tiers are supported to prevent collapse and maintain safety. Free-standing stacks require inspector approval and must be stable, with safe machinery operation. Fire precautions include taking steps to reduce fire risks and prominently displaying smoking prohibitions. Ensure combustible materials don't accumulate and maintain fire extinguishing equipment at strategic locations. Provide visual signs for escape routes and ensure effective evacuation plans and sirens are in place. Employers must ensure emergency doors are easily accessible and staircases are safe for quick evacuation. Fire escape staircases must be non-combustible and facilitate quick and safe evacuation. Provide adequate firefighting equipment based on workplace size and flammable materials present. Provide clean and maintained facilities, including showers and changing areas, for construction employees. Offer suitable living accommodations for workers far from home, ensuring transportation availability. Ensure freely accessible sanitary facilities and compliance with building regulations for employee hygiene. Employers must provide free toilet paper, towels, and soap to ensure employee hygiene. Provide showers with hot and cold water, ensuring effective drainage and privacy for employees. Ensure privacy and compliance with building regulations in employee sanitary facilities. Provide separate changing rooms for males and females, ensuring safety and hygiene standards. Ensure changing rooms offer privacy, ventilation, and facilities for drying wet clothes. Changing rooms must not have direct communication with toilet facilities and must offer privacy. The Chief Inspector is tasked with forming a Construction Health and Safety Technical Committee. This committee is composed of a diverse group, including a chairperson, representatives from the Department of Labor, Public Works, Higher Education, and the South African Property Owners Association. Each member brings unique expertise to ensure comprehensive oversight and guidance. The Chief Inspector holds the responsibility to appoint members to the committee for a determined period. This process ensures that the committee remains dynamic and responsive to changing needs, with provisions for fair and just replacement of members when necessary. The committee plays a crucial advisory role, guiding the Chief Inspector on construction-related codes, standards, and training requirements. It ensures alignment with South African Qualifications Authority standards and provides written advice on safety records of companies with high incident rates. Beyond construction standards, the committee advises on occupational health and safety regulations. It administers provisions, conducts inspections, and handles appeals against its decisions, ensuring adherence to safety protocols and regulations. Individuals affected by committee decisions have the right to appeal within 60 days. This process ensures transparency and fairness, allowing for reconsideration of decisions and further appeals to the Labor Court if necessary. The Chief Inspector can approve organizations as inspection authorities, provided they meet accreditation standards. These authorities perform functions as prescribed by the Department of Labor, with the Chief Inspector retaining the right to withdraw approval if necessary. Non-compliance with regulations can lead to significant penalties, including fines and imprisonment. Continuous offenses incur additional penalties, emphasizing the importance of adhering to established safety standards. The construction regulations of 2003 are repealed, with certain provisions coming into effect 18 months after the commencement of new regulations. This transition marks a shift towards updated and improved regulatory standards.